Hello guys, so today we'll see how you can manage the class within this LMS. Okay, so for that you will have the admin right. So I am already under the login area. Okay, for that you will have to come under the site administration, then the users tab, and here under accounts you will find the list of users, then bulk user actions, add new users, and here you can see the cohorts. Okay, so this can be considered as a class. So if I click on this, I can see the list of class already created, or the cohort you can say. In case you have to add any additional one, you can also go for that. Okay, so here you can see the button add a new class cohort. So let's say class 10B. So something like this you can create. And yes, this will be the system one. So that is fine. Yeah, so here you can see I just created a class 10B. So now questions, in case you have a multiple cohort ID like the class, you can also put here some identifier. Okay. So you can put here identifier as well in case you have any coding stuffs. So if not, you can put the same name also. So class 10, something like this. You can put here. Okay. So if you press enter, then it will be saved automatically. Now you can see here the cohort size. So what does that mean? So that means I just newly created this one and there is no user associated with this. So from here I can add users. So you can click here on this wheel arrow icon. Then you can see here the assigned. Okay. Now you can see the list of already available users within this LMS. So you can put here. In case you are not aware how you can put the users into this LMS, you can check the other video that is already available. Okay, so you can check, and I will also give you the link here, the direct link. You can jump to that how you can manage users. So for now, let me search user. You can see here the 265 user. I will keep searching here. If I type AB, so all the names related to AB will appear. If you name is starting from CA, okay, then no match. Okay, AJ. So here you can see. So in case I have to add this particular user uh, within this class 10B, I can add from here. Got it? So you can. So I think this step is the only ones when your session start. Maybe it may start in the India case in April or maybe in the March last. Okay, so you'll be adding the users too. So you don't, you can also remove the user in case someone is not paying fee. Yeah, they are transferring from one school to another. You can also switch back. You can remove from here. You can see the remove button. Okay, so remove you can do again in case you want to add. You can add. Got it? So this is how you can add users, add or remove users within your newly created class or any class you can go for. Okay, so let me again come to the step. We'll have to come here under users, then the cohort. Then you can, in case you have to create a one, you can create here by clicking on this. But in case you have to access the already existing one, you'll have to come here, system cohort. Then you can assign users from here. Okay, so if I click on assign, I can see the list of already users. You can see under current users and the potential users at the right side. Okay, so this is how you can manage the users within the class or cohort, you can say. Okay, so this cohort features of this LMS can be used as a class. Okay, so you can use this class 10, section B, class 1, section A, section B kind of thing you can use here. Now coming to questions. I have a course and I want to assign a users. So same way you can create a category or course here. So suppose I created a class 10th. Okay, so class 10th, the class I created here for adding the content here, right? So here you can see. So currently it is coming within this elements. What I don't want here, it should be on the top level. So again, I will come here. I will remove this and select the top here. Got it? So it will appear in parallel here. Now you can see it is coming parallel to class 1, LKG, UKG class 1 like this. So if I come here on the class 10 section B, I can create a course here. Okay, I'm just creating a course test name. I have already created a separate video around this, how you can create a course and how you can add a content within the course. Okay, let me take you to that particular course. So here on top, you can see the LM study. And if you see on the right side, this is the course. And if you view this, you can see how the user management section. You will see here the complete video, how you can manage the users. Same the course management, how you can create a course and how you can start adding content within the course. And same how you the QG assessment can be used. Coming back to the course, so I just created a section here, class and section for adding the content. Okay, so here the content will be class and section files. So I just created a course. This may be English. Okay, so class 10 English, you can say. Okay, so here you can put the English section B, I guess. Okay. So content you can take a reference from there, how you can add a content within this course. Coming how you can involve users. Okay, so here you can see the button that is participants. You can click on this. And if you click on this enroll users, here any individual user you can search and add. Okay, so you can add here the users one by one like this. Correct? So if I click enroll, I can enroll like this. But I don't have to enroll one by one because in your case, you'll have the class. You don't have to deal with the individual users. Okay. So in case you have to add users within a class, you'll go back to the cohort and you'll add there. You'll add users there. But in case you have to remove the same thing will be there, you can access. Now you can see here the select cohort will be the class. Yes. I will search here. So this one just we just create it. First, I do this, and I think the four users are was associated with this class will also verify that if all the users associated with this class will be okay. So I click this, I can see that so the four users were here. Back. So I'm opening this in a separate tab here. Okay, here this was the newly created one. And you can see the cohort size is 4. And here, if I select that particular, this one, and got it, enroll as a student. And if I enroll, it'll be enrolled. So 0, why? Because for all 4 are already. In case I will add any additional here, take you to that step. Okay, so I am going to add a fifth one. Let's see this user. Now again, if I come back here and try for the enroll users by selecting that particular this, so this is how you can manage class and how you can manage users around that class. Okay, so that's it from this video. Hope you'll have some idea around how you'll be able to manage class and the student within that class. So in case you will have any doubt, you can put me a comment. I will happy to reply. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.